The moon orbits the Earth so slowly, and the Earth and moon are so far from the sun, that the moon's trajectory never actually makes any sort of a loop, and in fact it never even curves outwards towards the Earth at all, but always inwards towards the sun. The moon's trajectory is more like a 12-sided polygon with curved corners than it is a spiral or even a wiggly line. Though the moon's trajectory is so close to being a circle, it's kind of hard to see. Here's a simpler example of an orbit where a planet's moon's trajectory only ever curves towards its sun. It looks like this hypothetical moon is actually orbiting the sun and just getting nudged in and out a little bit by the planet as it orbits. This type of curve, where a circle rotates while attached to another rotating circle, is called an epitrochoid, though they're usually generated by rolling a circle around another circle, but the curves are the same. It's a fun little bit of geometry. Depending on how fast the two circles rotate relative to each other, and how big they are relative to each other, you get everything from spirals to wiggles to polygons with rounded corners. The faster a moon orbits relative to its planet, or the larger the moon's orbit is relative to the planet's, the more spirally the trajectory. The slower the moon moves relative to the planet, or the smaller its orbit, the more wobbly or circular the trajectory. Looking at a whole table of these trajectories, loops are in the upper right half here, and wobbles are in this region. Orbits that never curve outwards are in the remaining sliver. In our case, the sun is about 400 times farther away than the moon, and the moon orbits the Earth around 13.5 times for each trip around the sun, once every 27 days. The trajectory looks pretty much like a circle.